So my name is Himayaz. I have a family of 6 members, including my parents. I'm working in Deloitte as an IT consultant. I came to know about Nibav Lift from my brothers actually, who are in United States. So they explained me the concept of indoor lift, which can be attached at home, and it's kind of vacuum functionality rather than the conventional lift. So that's how I came to know about this. The main purpose of taking Nibav Lift was no civil work involved in this. Very minimal civil work we had to do, that is making a floor to bottom so that the lift structure can stand on it. That's it. And there is no other civil work for us. The main requirement would be my parents. They have their knee issues, knee pains. So for that purpose, we have installed this lift so that they can roam freely on the floors in the house and even go outside. So we are using it for past 4 months as of now. The lift experiences so far, it's very good for us. It basically served our purpose of installing the lift. Okay, and for that reason we have opted for this lift basically. We have not opted for any other conventional lift like hydraulic or screw-based lift. We wanted a lift wherein we had very minimalistic civil work involved, and there is no damage to our building structure. There is no changes to our building structure. The lift comes with polycarbonate glass, which is unbreakable as explained by them. We also had a demonstration at the office for this glass safety. The next safety I would say is when there is a no power and someone is there in the lift, it goes down to the first floor or it goes down to the ground floor, whichever floor it is nearer to. It goes down automatically. And the next feature I would say a child lock functionality, wherein let's say people should not open the door when the lift is active or something. There is a functionality which the persons have explained me, so I know how to operate that child lock safety. Maintenance so far no issues for me. The usage is like daily once or twice for us, but that's the minimum usage. Keeping in mind, we opted for this kind of lift actually. Technician team was very good for us. They installed in within 24 hours for us as requested by us, because we were in a hurry at that moment, and they addressed that issue very fine, very purposefully I would say.